No girls allowed. Those who watched the 2014 Winter Olympic Games saw something that had never happened before. For the first time ever, women were able to compete in the ski jump competition. The first Olympic Games in 1924 were limited to men only. From 1928 to 1948, women were only allowed to compete in figure skating. By the Winter Games in 1952, women were competing in most of the sports. By 1994, women could compete in all Winter Olympic sports except the ski jump. The ski jump competition remained closed to women because some officials believed that the sport was too dangerous for women. However, women were still participating in the sport outside of the Olympics. In fact, a woman, Jessica Jerome, holds the world record for the longest jump of any skier, male or female. If Jerome had been permitted to compete in the 2010 Olympics, she would have received the gold medal. Jerome and other women skiers went to court in 2011 and claimed that they were being discriminated against based on their gender. The court agreed, and therefore the Olympic Committee had to change their policy on women competing in the ski jump competition. Jerome was the first woman to qualify for the United States team and came in 10th place in the 2014 Games in Russia. Short answer. Number 1. What is the main idea? Number 2. What caused the Olympic Committee to change their policy on the ski jump competition? True or false? Number 3. Jerome holds the world record for the longest ski jump. True or false? Number 4. Women competed in the 1924 Olympics. True or false? Number 5. The court said that the ski jump is too dangerous for women. True or false?